Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can get a job on LinkedIn. So how do you use LinkedIn to get a job? So first thing first is log into your LinkedIn account. So I see that you have your profile all set up. So have your profile all set up and up to date. And there's few ways we can look for jobs in LinkedIn. So firstly is like once you log into your homepage, so you'll see an option here called jobs. Click on it. So if you click on it, you'll you will find some recommendations here by LinkedIn based on your profile, on your similar industry or your niche. So those things. So you can find the companies that are currently recruiting, and you can look into their profile and see their vacancies. So you can click on this, for example, and then check it out. What vacancies do they have? And see if that suits you here. For example, this one here. And see if that works. Have a look at it, for example, and if it works for you, so you can just hit on apply and follow the instructions. Okay, likewise, you can find jobs here. So if you can see, there are there are a number of jobs that are actively hiring at the moment. So you can see and browse and just browse around and see what suits you best. Or another way is you can, if you are like interested in a particular company or something like that, or in a particular organization, you can like search them on LinkedIn. So whatever like the company that you are trying to, or you're planning to, so you can just search search the company or the jobs, or you can enter some keywords here if you're looking for any particular job. So you can put some keywords here, like system engineer, for example. And then if you hit search, it should it should um it should display all the relevant ones that are currently open, and then you can have a look at it and click on apply. And please make sure that you have your up-to-date profile, LinkedIn profile, because employers will first look at your profile, and then while shortlisting they will definitely look into your profile. So make sure your profile is up to date and in a good quality. So hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.